Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by scanning the site immediately. Run a crawler like Screaming Frog or Sitebulb to identify all 4XX and 5XX responses. Once you have the export, filter by source page and link location so you know where the broken link lives and what links to it. Make sure to cross-check with Google Search Console and Analytics to prioritize pages with traffic or backlinks, because fixing high-impact links first gives the biggest SEO lift. Once done with the inventory, decide how to fix each broken link. Update the href, restore the missing content, implement a 301 redirect, or remove the link when irrelevant. Use 301 redirects for permanent replacements so link equity transfers. Reserve 302 only for true temporary cases. Make sure to update internal links directly in your CMS where possible to avoid unnecessary redirects, and log every change in your spreadsheet. You now deploy the chosen fixes and recrawl the affected pages within 24 to 72 hours to confirm resolution. Once deployed, submit updated URLs to Google Search Console and watch organic traffic and index coverage for 2 to 4 weeks to confirm recovery. If things go wrong, check server configuration, robots, TXT exclusions, and canonical tags. They often block indexation or cause apparent persistence of broken status. Fixing those usually resolves lingering.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.